Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Saturday, May 4th, 2019. On May 3rd, there was a new explosion from Mount Aso in Japan, ejecting ash up to 2 kilometers above the crater. The exclusion zone is now 1 kilometer from the summit. On April 29th, there was a new eruption from Mount Agung in Indonesia, ejecting ash up to 4.5 kilometers above sea level. The alert level remains at 3, with a 4-kilometer exclusion zone. Right now, there are 68 volcanoes erupting or on alert. A series of earthquakes is currently being monitored off the coast of Surigao del Norte, Philippines. The swarm started with a magnitude 5.5 earthquake on April 26th. As of April 30th, the Philippines Seismic Network had already recorded 728 events, with magnitudes ranging from 1.5 to 5.5. These events are associated with the ongoing subduction of the Philippine Sea Plate along with the Philippine Trench. The swarm is still ongoing today and may lead to a larger, more destructive quake. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology is continuously monitoring the situation. On May 1st, there was a magnitude 6.2 earthquake in the South China Sea at a depth of 10 kilometers. On May 3rd, there was a magnitude 6.1 earthquake near the Solomon Islands, also at a depth of 10 kilometers. On April 30th, there was a large landslide near La Paz, Bolivia, destroying dozens of homes. There were no casualties or injuries reported, as the area had previously been evacuated. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page. And if you would like to help support my research and help this channel grow, become a Patreon. Just click the link I left in the description. Protect your body against the toxins we're exposed to every day through our food, water, and air. Check out GetTheT.com. They have everything you need to get your body and mind back to a healthy state. Right now you can get over $100 off a 12-month supply of Life Change Tea. Just let them know you were sent by Forbidden Knowledge News when you check out. That's GetTheT.com.